Macros extension was built to cut down the time needed for manual tasks such as follow-ups, scheduling calls, etc. Let's take a look at one of the contacts. So within Macros extension, the button will show up on any record that you create a macro for. And what this does is basically allows us to execute certain action within a single click. For example, I have multiple macros such as email a client a new checklist, which will send an email with a predefined text and a checklist to this contact with just a single click. We can schedule a follow-up call, we can create an opportunity, we can create a ticket and email a certain support person to follow up on it, and that can be done within one click. So for example, let's just go ahead and schedule a call in 30 days. I click it, I get a success message, and I can see right away under activities, we have the activity scheduled 30 days from now. If I wanted to schedule and create an opportunity, single click, and the opportunity is then created. Just a single click to execute a certain action. Now to configure the macros for each module, what you would have to do is go to the settings, CRM settings, and then under other settings we have macros, and this is the list of all the existing macros that we saw for the contacts module. To create a new macro, you would hit new workflow, and you would put in, let's say it would be a macro schedule a call in 15 days. You can put in description, let's say, let's do again for contacts. We would leave that select as a macro time interval. Scroll down, and then under actions, this is what will be executed once that macro is clicked. So let's say we want to create an event. You would simply put in the details of that event, set the dates, hit save, and then you can also add additional tasks such as schedule an event, send an email, update the contact, notify sales reps. And once we do that, the macro will then show up in our macros section. This is compatible with all the standard and custom VTiger modules, and there's no limitation as to what the macro can do.